All right, welcome to Ask Paint Coach. Today's question is a great one. It is, why is it so much easier to paint from a picture, and how can I improve myself to paint live as a beginner, especially for landscape? I know exactly what you're talking about. For the longest time, I would paint from photos all the time, and I felt like I was really good, and then I'd go and try and plein air paint or go to a open studio where there was a live figure model, and it was like I didn't know how to draw. And it's because a photo, it's already like one level of simplifying it for you. Like one, it's already cropped. If you're like out painting a landscape, it's just, everywhere you look, it's like where does it stop, where does it start? So at least a photo like blocks it off. And you can actually use those dimensions to like help you place it on yours if your canvas is the same dimensions. Now the answer to this is probably not the most fun answer, which is you just got to get better at drawing, more specifically your observational skills, meaning that like you can look at something, and maybe like it's an angle of something, and you can say, okay, I can replicate that angle onto my canvas drawing wise, or like the size of this tree compared to this tree, it's bigger, and I can get that reference. It's your observational skills. I remember a very good drawing exercise my first oil painting instructor had me do. Wasn't even with oil paint, it was just with like charcoal. We were drawing a still life or something, and he's like, all right, just put your charcoal on the paper, look at the subject, and just draw it without looking at your paper. And what that did, I don't know, is just physically the hand-eye coordination of just knowing where your hand is, and just kind of connecting what your eye is seeing to what your hand is doing. That helped a lot. But it's just practice. That's why I always say it's not bad to trace something if you have to trace something, or grit it, or whatever, but I always say that you are losing the opportunity to get better at your drawing skills. And when you improve your drawing skills, it just improves everything else. If you're trying to paint something from life, you can't grid from life, and you can't trace from life. And if you can't paint from life, you're missing out on probably the best way to learn to paint. And that's not just coming from me, that's coming from pretty much every single painting instructor I've ever learned from. So just keep practicing your drawing. Don't get discouraged. It will come in time. If you want a question to be answered in a future episode, leave it in the comments section below, and it just might get answered. All right, it's time for you to go get painting.